Hey guys, hi, it's me. The new product, GrabberBot, which I released about a week and a half ago, is starting to deliver its first results. If you haven't yet joined the community that's using GrabberBot, hurry up because the price is increasing in steps upwards. In the meantime, I want to explain how this system works. So, inside the GrabberBot strategy, there are two modes. One mode is for trading. By successfully completing these three initial trades, I have officially published the automated trading signal for this specific financial product. This means that on this particular account, where the trading bot is currently installed and active, the system is designed to operate across 11 different assets simultaneously. Furthermore, the bot is programmed to execute a maximum of 3 separate deals for each individual asset to maintain proper risk management. In just a week and a half, it has already brought in 4% profit. It's not much, but as I said, this is only the start. The second trading mode is the single trade mode. This is exceptionally secure and reliable trading. You can easily use it on virtually any proprietary trading firm and consistently generate substantial financial profits with a maximum percentage of up to 5% every single month. That is everything that a prop firm requires from a user. I'll show a live signal. It has already brought in 2%, the maximum drawdown is up to 1%, and the trading bot is steadily making its trades. It's been almost 2 weeks since the advisor was released, and it's starting to gain momentum. But in this video, I wanted to show how GrabberBot works with a single trade. How does this work? Because I already described the 3-trade mode in the previous video. Now, we're going to talk in detail about the single trade mode. To demonstrate exactly how this specific feature works, I have already turned on the strategy tester. Within the MetaTrader 5 platform, I carefully selected one of the 10 different assets that GrabberBot typically uses. And now I'll turn on the visual trading mode so you can see exactly how it works visually and step by step. This will give you a much clearer understanding of the entire automated process as it unfolds in real time on your screen. Let's reduce the speed. Adjust the setting to the lowest possible level, and then go ahead and eliminate the indicators that we are no longer concerned with at this time. We'll also take a look at the chart displayed here and completely remove the background grid lines. So after a specific trading signal finally appears on the screen, the expert advisor automatically places a pending limit order, which acts as a trap. If the price level eventually reaches the specific price of this order, the trade will enter the market. However, if it doesn't reach that point, then there simply will not be an active trade executed. This particular order is set for a predetermined and specific period of time. And if it isn't triggered within the next few candles, it will be automatically removed from the system by the platform. There, it has now been deleted. The advisor looks for moments when the quotes move outside the boundaries. Regarding the specific parameters of this channel, which is meticulously calculated using the mathematical Fibonacci formula. So, a trade has successfully occurred, the limit order was officially triggered, and we proceed to lock in the trade when it eventually closes, either by reaching the designated take profit level or when the price action returns to the average value according to the technical indicator. Sigma is my favorite indicator, one of my favorites, which is based on the standard Bollinger Bands with some nuances. So, we move on and wait for the next time the quotes go beyond the price channel. Sometimes the market moves within a very narrow range. And in such cases, here we had a limit order. It was triggered. And we wait to see what will happen. Bang, the trade closed. We are inside the channel, so there are no trades. But as soon as the quotes go up, a limit order is placed. Right over here, it was activated. And the quotes moved against our order. And here the stop loss was triggered. But the next limit order was activated because the quotes are outside the channel. And what do we see now? Will the trade close with a profit, or will we take another loss? We wait. The stop loss order is here. The size of the stop loss order is roughly equal to the size of the take profit order. Therefore, the profit to loss ratio here is about 1 to 1. Sometimes trades get stuck. Here it closed. It closed with a profit. We didn't hit the stop loss. Let's move on. I want to draw your attention to the fact that the indicator Here's another advantage. This indicator, the channel indicator, based on the formula. The Fibonacci mathematics, it's adaptive and it will adjust to volatility. Look, volatility was higher here and the width of the indicator was large. Where volatility decreases, we also track volatility using a specific volatility indicator. When volatility decreases, the indicator narrows. All right, let's keep watching. For now, we're moving inside the price channel and we have no trades. This is one of the 10 assets used for trading with this system. So, there's a limit order. It wasn't triggered because the quotes didn't move further. Now, the order has been triggered. What's happening? Closed with a profit. Here we can look at the trade history. Losses are marked in red and profits are marked in green. Profits are marked. If we go back to the MetaTrader 5 platform and look at the profitability chart, then during the video I just showed you, we are on this kind of profitability curve. As you can see, it is rising. It rises in a sawtooth pattern because in these places we get stop losses and in these places we get profits. We had a limit order, but it was removed. Let's move on. Look at a few more trades. We can speed it up a bit. There are moments when limit orders are placed, but the price doesn't reach them, so we have no trades. Here, the limit order was activated and we made a profit. There was another profitable trade. A few more trades were profitable. Let's go back to the MetaTrader 5 platform. There are both advantages and disadvantages. Now, you'll see that the profit chart doesn't grow perfectly. Smoothly, but with minimal drawdown. And most importantly, it's safe for the deposit because where there should have been a loss, the stop loss order cuts it off. Considering that the loss is about equal to the profit, roughly 1 to 1, here we see this kind of result. Here, the steps of growth and the steps of loss are almost the same, like little staircases. So, as you can clearly see right here, our profit chart is steadily rising. Because this is exactly where the incredible magic of the grabber trading system really happens. And we currently have several new trades that are consistently bringing us even more gains. New profits. There are more and more profits. And the profit chart keeps growing. This is just one of 10 assets. If we take the time to combine all of these individual profit charts into one comprehensive view on a single trading account, we get roughly the same result that I previously showed you during the detailed GrabberBot presentation. What you are seeing here is a remarkably smooth and consistent profit chart that is actually made up of 10 different diversified assets working together. As you can see, it grows quite steadily and quite profitably. Take a look at how many % profit this trading bot has brought on the trading account. We consistently have trades that close with significant profits, and sometimes even with absolutely huge profits. Very often. Take a look at our profit chart here. It shows a consistent upward trend that just keeps growing month after month. If we decide to speed up the simulation test as much as we possibly can, you can clearly see exactly how this impressive growth happens in real time. This growth. In reality, we are speeding up time in this way, meaning we are showing how this happened in history over several years. As this trading bot operated, we saw both profitable and losing trades, though there were far fewer losing ones than winners. This is why our growth chart rises in these steady little steps with very minimal drawdown along the way. As the test results show, the maximum drawdown for the portfolio, where only one trade is used, is up to 5%. And what's good is this kind of diversification, meaning 10 assets on one trading account. So when there is a drawdown on one asset, because price movements are different across all currency pairs. And at the moment, when we have a drawdown on one asset, on another asset, we have this kind of growth curve. So they end up compensating for each other, and overall, the growth chart becomes much smoother. Of course, there are also more horizontal phases where there are both losing and profitable trades. The numbers are almost equal, but then there are these phases of profitability growth, when the number of profitable trades is many times greater than the losing ones. And as a result, as you can see, we're moving in fast forward now, and our profitability chart for this currency pair is actively growing, which of course makes the user happy. And it makes me happy too, because I also use this bot on my own trading account with real money. But I'm not worried that something will happen to it, because any attempts by the market to eat up my deposit are stopped by the stop loss order. And instead of a big loss, I just get a small step down like this. Then comes a new trade, which closes with a profit, and then many more trades, and my trading account grows in this way. I'll slow down the speed so you can see once again how these trades appear. We have a FIBO channel with FIBO extensions. You see, here is a numerical value in percentages. A trade was triggered, the order closed with a profit. Some orders are not triggered because the quotes don't continue their movement. But overall, by the way, yes, what I wanted to say. Stop loss and take profit are also calculated by a formula. They adapt to the market in the same way as the channel with FIBO extensions. The higher the volatility, the wider the channel, and the wider the values for take profit and stop loss orders. The narrower the channel, the narrower these values are. A trade was triggered. Will we hit the stop loss or return to the profitable zone? I don't know yet, but it's always interesting. Here we closed at the stop loss. And now I'll pause and show you what happens when it closes at the stop loss. We only got one small step down. With such a huge profit growth, we have such a tiny step down. This is a risk that is approximately 0.5% of your deposit. In this case, we're trading with a fixed lot, so the risk here is minimal. In fact, it's a micro risk. But when we have a series of profitable trades, let me show you now, then this growth continues further for you. And in this way, we keep moving forward. Day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. And our profit in the trading account keeps growing rapidly, higher and higher. This system adapts to the market. And by acquiring the advanced GrabberBot system, you effectively ensure yourself a consistent and steady profit on your personal trading account every single day. That's how GrabberBot works, guys. I'm not saying goodbye.